Mumbai's lifeline local trains have come to a standstill because of heavy and continuous rains. We are at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, one of the busiest stations of Mumbai. And if my camera can just pan and show you around, most of the local trains here have been parked. They are not moving at all because of the water level, specifically in the low-lying areas like Kurla, Sion and harbour areas. The tracks there are completely submerged under the water, and that is the reason the trains between the Thane and CST station, that is on Central Line, and on Mankhurd and CST station, that is on Harbour Line, are completely shut. In fact, if my camera can just pan and show you around the indicators, these are time and station indicators of a local train. They are completely been put off. That's because the railway authorities cannot predict that how much time is going to take for the train services to restart. The bigger worry here is of a high tide of around 4.47 meters at 2:30 in the afternoon. That's when the flooding is expected to rise if the rains continue with the same intensity. This situation here at CST is an extremely rare situation. But most of the time, at any point of time in the day, the station like CST is completely jam-packed. But because of the advisory issued by the railway, most of the commuters have avoided the local trains and are not in fact coming out. Not only the railways, but the BMC has also issued an alert. They have advised people to not to come out of their home unless there is an emergency situation. I just spoke to the chief PRO of Central Railway, and he has informed me that they are aiming to restart the services by evening peak hours, but that would completely depend on the intensity of rains and the high tide. With Sanjay Ranjit, this is Ashish Singh in Mumbai for Times Now.